Okay, guys, we're back after that brief stop. But now, see, he has a little bit of a limp, but he's doing so incredibly well. I am gonna just keep nursing him, not let him walk too much, try and catch him before he goes to the stairs. And like this morning, he jumped off the bed right away, jumped up and then jumped off. So I know he's doing better. He's not healed, but he's better. And all I can say is thank God. Thank my angels and God. And thank you, everybody, for all your prayers and your thoughts. Obviously, that has helped a lot. Come on, Cole, let's go this way. Look at that. Okay, I got to pick him up and finish my walk. Have a great day. Happy Easter, and thanks for all your prayers and thoughts.